Hello developers, my name is Ganesh and welcome to Salesforce Universe. So today I am going to show you that how can you get the total number of count of child on your parent. Okay, so to understand this scenario, let's see uh, that I have opportunities, I have a contact, okay, and the contact has a related opportunity, and I want the one of the field on a contact which give me the total number of opportunities which are related to this account. Okay, so this is a contact and it has a 10 opportunities related. Okay, so we can see here. Okay, so these are the 10 opportunities which are related to this particular contact. So what I want, whenever I create a new opportunity with contact, so I have a custom lookup relationship with contact. So whenever I select the same contact, okay, so this will get update. So right now it's 10. So when I create a new opportunity with same contact, so it should be get 11. Okay, let's try this and does does it works or not. If it works, then I will explain you that how can we achieve this using flow. So let's say name should be test 10, so we can get the idea that okay, and this is anything you want. Let's save this. So it will give me immediately an error. Okay, because I never select the contact and it will throw the it will fail my flow. Okay, so I select this contact and let's save. Okay, this gets saved, and when I go here, so you can see that okay, this is opportunity and these are the 10. Now when I refresh this page, it should be 11. Now see, you can see that the total opportunities are 11 now. Okay, so I would like to explain this, that how can we achieve this. So what I want, whenever the opportunity get inserted, that means child get inserted, it should launch the flow. So for that purpose I use a record trial flow. Means whenever the any record is get created or updated, so this flow will launch. Okay, so when which for which object this flow should get launched, so in my case it should be opportunity. Okay, so whenever the opportunity get created, it will launch my flow, and after that I will select the get record element. Okay, and just drop down this here, drag and drop here, and in this you can check you want all the opportunities which are related to your current records parent. Okay, so when I insert opportunity, it has a contact, so I will get that contact id and I will try to fetch all the opportunity which are related to that particular contact. Okay, so for that purpose, this is a contact which is a custom lookup equals to my records custom lookup field, which is nothing but a contact. Okay, so this contact contain a contact id, and this is also contact id, so that's why I'm using the equals. So it will return a list, and it should return all the opportunities which has same parent. Okay, so for that purpose I use here all records. Okay, so it will return a collection. When you select the only first record, then it will return an object, but we want all records, so that's why we are using all records, and hit that done button. Okay, I'm not going to edit this flow because it will, then I will save this again. Okay, so now we have opportunities. Now we have to edit a parent. So to edit the parent, we need to fetch that parent first. Okay, so how we gonna fetch that? We will fetch by using the id. Okay, because we have a contact id, we have a parent id, and we have to fetch the parent. So the id should be equal to the parent's id. Okay, this is a record, that means it's opportunity records, and this is a contact. Okay, and it should be equals. So here we only get single record, because when you filter with the id, it always return a single record. So we we are selecting only first record. Okay, then again click on done button. Okay, so now you have a child and you have a parent. Now you have to uh, count the number of child and assign that number to the parent. So we can do this thing directly here. So now I have a contact. Okay, so I will type your contact. Okay, this is the single record, and here I have a field that's the total opportunities. Okay, and it and I'm using a operator equals count. Okay, this equals count return size of list. Okay, whatever we are getting in a collection variable, if you select the any collection variable here, so it will return a size of that collection. Okay, so in our case we have a opportunity as a collection, so I will select this. So it will return a total number of opportunities. Okay, and save on done button. Okay, after now you have a child, you have a parent, and you modify the parent's field, and now you have to update that parent. Okay, so simply you have to select the update record from here. Okay, so as soon as you update, click on this, and simply you have to add the field that get contact. Okay, and done on button. After that you have to save your flow. Let's see, I will save this. So it will create a new version. Just save and click on activate. Okay, so now if you create a new opportunity, let's say new. So before, this is a this is a 11, so when I create new, so it should be 12. Okay, so let's say test 12, and close date should be any future date. Then we have select any of those teaching and just save this. Okay, so it gives me error. This error is because of we don't select the contact. So we have to select the contact. So in next video I will try to avoid this scenario. For timing, I'm just implementing a very simple scenario here. So let's save this. Okay, so now it get saved. Okay, so now if we refresh this, then it should be 12. Okay, so now the total opportunities are 12. But here is one problem, is that if I change the parent, okay, if I change this contact to any other contact, let's say the any one of this. Okay, this is a this one, and let's save. Okay, this gets saved, but it don't update this time. Okay, it will always show the 12. Let's refresh this again. Okay, I okay, my flow is only work when I am creating a new record, not on an update. Okay, so that's why we are not getting anything here right now. But when you see that our previous parent, that's seen. Okay, we have changed our contact, so now our previous parent has the same count which was we have here before. So if you see here that we have a 12 opportunities, but when you see in a related list, it it's only 11. See, this is only 11 opportunities, and on that field we it's showing a 12. So we need to handle that as well. So in the next video I will explain you that how can we handle that, and I will also try to solve this error that if the parent is not selected, and when we're trying to save that, it will immediately throw the error. So we need to avoid that scenario as well. Okay, so it allow me to save because I my flow is only work when I create any record. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.